Student, today we discuss about the Roman numerals. We use Roman numerals in daily life just like watches and clocks. Here we discuss about the symbols of numbers. We use I, V, X, L, C, D, M and numbers. I is equals to 1, V is equals to 5, X is equals to 10, L equals to 50, C is equals to 100, D is equals to 500 and M is equals to 1000. We need to remember 3 rules for writing the Roman numerals. There are 3 rules. First one is rule of repetition. Second one is rule of addition and third rule of subtraction. Let us read rule one by one. Rule first, rule of repetition. First point, when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3 respectively. For example, M is equals to 1000, MM 1000 is multiplied by 2 is equals to 2000, MM 1000 multiplied by 3 is equals to 3000. Second point, symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. For example, 1 is equals to I, 2 is equals to I, 3 is equals to I and 4 is equals to I. But that is wrong, because according this rule we can repeat this number only 3 times at maximum. So this is wrong. Third point, symbol V, L and D are never repeated. That means we cannot write 10 as a VV, but we can write 10 as X. Now let us look second rule, rule of addition. First point, if a symbol of a smaller value is written to the right of a smaller of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. For example, XI. X has a value of 10 and I has a value of 1. So we add this value. 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. So XI is equals to 11. We take another example, XVI. X has a value of 10 plus V has a value of 5 plus I is equals to 1. So we write 10 plus 5 plus 1 is equals to 16. Let us look rule third, rule of subtraction. First point, if a symbol of a smaller value is to the left of a smaller symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. Now take one example, XC. X is a value of 10 and C has a value 100. So XC will be 100 minus 10 is equals to 90. So the value of XC is equals to 90. Second point, the symbols V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Take one example, 95. 95 cannot be written as 100 minus 5 is equals to 100 is C and 5 is V, C. That is wrong, because according to rule, symbols V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. So how to write this number? 95 is equals to 90 plus 5 X C V. X is equals to 90 and V is equals to 5. Third point, I, X and C are used to subtract. These are just 6 combination. First one is IV is equals to 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. IX 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. XL 50 minus 10 is equals to 40. XC 100 minus 10 is equals to 90. CD 500 minus 100 is equals to 400. CM 1000 minus 100 is equals to 900. Now, if larger numeral are given, how to read and write larger Roman numerals? For example, what is MCMXXI is equals to? Write the number ones, tens, hundred and thousand. I, XX, CM and M. M is equals to 1000 plus CM 1000 minus 100 plus XX 20 plus I 1. So 1000 plus 900 plus 20 plus 1 is equals to 1921. So MCMXXI is equals to 1921. Now we take another example. Firstly, we write the number in expanded form. 2000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 5. Write in Roman numerals 2000. 1000 plus 1000, so write MM plus 500 plus 100 plus 100. So D has a value 500. So D CC 100 plus 100 plus 10 is equals to X plus 5 is equals to V. So we write the in Roman number MMDCCXV. So 2715 is equals to MMDCCXV. So students, in this way you have to write and read the Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. Thank you.